How to see Venmo transaction history. Welcome back to Glitz Sorcerer, and let's jump right into this video. To see your Venmo transaction history, first and foremost, launch a Venmo application. Make sure that it is up to date and you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your Venmo account, at the very top you should see the setting gear option. Select the setting gear option. In here on the preferences, you should see the option of privacy. Select the option of privacy. Now once you tap on it, at the bottom on the more, you should see the option of past transactions. When you select the past transaction, you'll be able to see your Venmo transaction history. Isn't it simple? Now did you know you can even set privacy settings for your past transaction? In order to do so, all you have to do is select your past transactions. Then you will see the option of change it to private. By tapping on change it to private, you'll be able to secure your past transaction history. That will even help to protect your account from hacks and fraud. Now if you want to know more about this, you can contact the customer support or check out the website of customer support of Venmo. If you face any of the issue regarding this, you can check out the help and support as well. And it's a wrap for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in.